What's good, guys? Mikael Bennett here, aka The Credit Bull. In this video, what I want to talk about is removing hard inquiries from your credit report, right? Hard inquiries can be very annoying. A lot of people have them. A lot of people have a lot of them, right? And there's two main reasons why you want to remove hard inquiries from your credit report. The first one is because if you have hard inquiries on your credit report, everyone you have hurts you anywhere between 3 to 10 points, right? And then, especially if it's not attached to an open account, then you literally just have this hard inquiry sitting on your credit report, hurting your score for no reason because it needs to be removed and it can be removed. The second reason why is because the more hard inquiries you have on your credit report, the thirstier you look, right? Imagine that you went to every person in your neighborhood and asked to hold $20, right? But there was actually, every time you did it, you got a hard inquiry. When you got to the 20th person, they're going to look at you and be like, damn, you got money from this person. Why you need mine? What's going on? Why you need mine? It seemed very thirsty to me, right? So you don't want lenders to perceive you as thirsty, so you need to remove the hard inquiries, right? Now, it's very simple to remove hard inquiries, right? When hard inquiries that you want to remove are going to be the ones that are not attached to open accounts. So let's say you look at the bottom of your credit report and you see that you got a hard inquiry from Chase, but you don't have no Chase card. You don't have no products from Chase. That's going to be one of the hard inquiries you want to remove, right? You don't want to really mess with hard inquiries that are attached to open credit card accounts because you'll put yourself in a position where your credit card might get shut down. I've seen people that had $15,000, $20,000 on a card, and then they go and try to be slick and remove the inquiry, and the whole card gets shut down, right? You don't want that to happen. So removing inquiries is pretty simple. You just want to look at your credit report, figure out which ones got to go, put them on a piece of paper, call up the credit bureau, right? You want to get transferred to the fraud department. And then when you talk to them, you want to let them know that you are aware of the law, right? You're aware of the law that anything that's unauthorized, inaccurate, inconsistent under the Fair Credit Reporting Act states that you guys have to remove it, right? So you want to let them know that you are aware of the law, because if you don't let them know that, they're going to just play the runaround game with you on the phone. They're going to tell you to go talk to this company. Make sure that you talk to them first. No. Everything is, oh, I've already done that. I've already done that. And you know, in about 24 hours, 72 hours, you should have those inquiries removed. Now, there is going to be some people who try this method and it doesn't work for them right away. The next step is filing an FTC report. Now, let me tell y'all how I know that this works, right? Because when I was going through the credit repair process for myself and my wife, I was doing this, right? I was calling up the bureaus. I sent in letters. I'm doing everything. And I was talking to a lady on the phone. Now, mind you, they'll tell you, hey, we can't give you any advice on disputing. It's like, why would they give you advice on fighting them, right? So, but these people are regular people, right? They're regular people just like you and I. So, one person was on the phone and she was like, did you submit an FTC report? I'm like, no, like I did everything. I done called, I done sent in a letter. I mean, what y'all need from me? Said, did you send in an FTC report? I said, no, why? She said, that's how you get it removed. I said, really? I said, so once I send in this FTC report with these inquiries, y'all gonna be able to update it, right? And she said, yes. So that's what I did. And since that day, I've been able to help people remove inquiries like it's water. You know what I'm saying? Like it's water running through a river. It's just running. And I actually had a lady reach out to me yesterday. I'll actually pop it up on the screen if I can, where she said, hey, your inquiry removal method really works. I was able to remove some inquiries that have been on there for a long time. I've been able to help hundreds of people remove hard inquiries from their credit report. I had somebody reach out to me last week. I think he got 15 inquiries removed, right? And within a month. So guys, if you need any help when it comes to removing inquiries off of your credit report, do what I said. But if you want the experts to do it, hit me up. Links will be in the description. Or if you want to learn how to do it for yourself and you want to actually get a step-by-step walkthrough, I have created a training inside of my Credit Essentials bundle where you can literally see me live go in and do the process that I spoke to you guys about. So if you got value from this video If you getting value from my channel, make sure that you hit the like button, you subscribe to the channel, shoot some comments, let me know if it worked for you. If you've gotten results with any of my stuff, let me know, what you got. And yeah, that's it, man. Mikel Bennett signing out, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.